What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today, another exciting tech video for you guys. And let me ask you guys something. What if your smart glasses could give you turn-by-turn directions, translate into foreign languages, and had a truly useful AI assistant, all while looking perfectly normal? Would you consider actually using them in that case? Because a lot of people have this restriction with smart glasses where they don't look very normal, and that's one of the reasons they don't want to use them. INMO is promising all of these things with the brand new Go 3 AI glasses, and that's what we're going to get into today, taking a look and seeing if the INMO Go 3s deliver on all of those promises. These are the INMO Go 3, and they just launched on Kickstarter for $4.99 for the full bundle. You get the glasses, you get the smart ring, their new upgraded version, a clip-on speaker for the dual translation mode, and we're going to talk about whether that whole bundle is a good deal in this review. Let's go ahead and get started. So here's what you get in the box. The Go 3 themselves, a charging case, and something that you don't see every day, which is 2 swappable batteries. You also get a number of camera covers that you can use to cover the camera, and also some temple pads that you can swap out if needed. We'll get to why all this matters in just a second, but right away the build quality stands out. The frame is CNC machine aluminum. They say it takes over 4,100 seconds of finishing time per frame. That's not a number most companies throw around, but you can actually feel it when you get it out of the box. The matte texture is really nice, very fingerprint resistant, and overall I love the look and feel of these glasses. They're incredibly light on the face at 58 grams, the temples are only 8 millimeters thick, and that's where they've packed in the main board and the battery. That's wild engineering for something this slim. There are also 4 frame styles available. They're calling it 4 frames, endless possibilities, designed for professional, casual, academic, and social settings, so you're not just stuck with one look. And you actually get multiple of those physical camera covers that I mentioned before. This is actually a really important piece because if you don't want that camera in use or even showing in social settings, you can put one on. And since you get about 9 of these, if you happen to lose one, no worries because you've got plenty more that you can use later on. All right, so first layer, let's talk about the display because that is the heart of what makes the INMO Go 3 smart. You're getting a dual-eye green monochrome micro LED display. The resolution is 640 by 480 and the brightness goes up to 1500 nits. To put that in context, your average flagship smartphone screen can go up to around 1500 nits to 2000 nits, so these are incredibly bright and you can read them outdoors in direct sunlight. It's incredibly readable, not jarring at all, and very, very natural if you wear them for a long period of time. The optics are diffractive waveguide, which is the same tech used in enterprise AR glasses that cost 2 to 3 times more. The result is that you see the display overlaid on the real world, and it doesn't look like a bright glowing screen to people looking at you. These glasses are quite discreet. I actually have them on right now, and you guys probably can't even tell if I turn them on or off. Overall, I was very impressed with the stability of the picture and how clear it is, and also there's no ghosting, which is a problem with some other smart glasses. You don't have to worry about that with the INMO Go 3. Next up, let's talk about one of my favorite features and something that you don't ever see with smart glasses, and that is the swappable batteries. This is one of the most practical innovations I've seen in wearables in a while. Instead of plugging it into charge, you just swap out the battery, which is built right into the frames. Each battery is around 270 milliamp hours and it magnetically snaps in and out. INMO says that this takes about 5 seconds, so let's go ahead and time them and find out. The charging case holds 1300 milliamp hours, and that's enough to fully recharge the batteries 3 to 4 times. So you pull the dead battery out, drop it in the case to charge, and snap the fresh one in. You're never waiting for the glasses to charge, you just keep going. Battery life in translation mode is around 3 hours. If you're just doing music calls and notifications, that's going to be around 4.5 hours. But with the 2 batteries combined and the battery case, you're going to be good for a full work day, which is absolutely fantastic and not something that you see on other smart glasses. So this is really good to see. It seems like INMO thought this through, a pain point that people have, and really delivered on executing and figuring out how to solve that problem. Next up, let's talk about translation because this is the big one. This is what these glasses are really engineered to do, and there's a lot of options here with the way that you can go about using the translation mode. INMO Go 3 supports 78 languages for output and translates from 98 languages. That's the widest language support in the smart glasses space right now. And there are 3 different ways that you can utilize it. The first up is the photo translation mode. You just say, "Hey INMO, translate what's in front of me," and the glasses snap a photo, run AI image recognition, extract the text, and display the translation right in your view. no phone out, and no app to open. And in photo translation mode, the translation is incredibly quick. All the time it takes to take the photo, extract the text, and translate it maybe takes about 10 seconds. So you can imagine if you're in another country, you need to read a menu or something like that, as in the example that I showed you guys there. This is going to be very fast. You'll be able to quickly see exactly what's on the menu so that you can order. The second translation mode is dialogue mode, and for that you do need the little clip-on speaker here, but as I mentioned, this is included in the $4.99 bundle that you can get over on Kickstarter. The way this works is just gonna clip right here onto your shirt, and then you'll be able to talk, and it will actually translate and then give the translation to the person that you're speaking to. Hello, how are you? Where have you been lately?
Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Dónde has estado últimamente?
I have a business proposal that I'd love to discuss with you.
Tengo una propuesta de negocio que me encantaría discutir contigo.
I'm wondering if you would be interested in investing in my company, Samiguru.
Me pregunto si te interesaría invertir en mi empresa, Samiguru. Si te interesa, solo tienes que firmar aquí.
Sounds like you'd love to. Awesome.
Parece que te encantaría. Genial.
This is really clever because most of the time when you're doing dual translation, you have to worry about, if it's going in and out of your phone. Here, you already have the speaker, so you're just gonna go ahead and speak and you're gonna see the translation from the other person. Say if they're speaking in Spanish, it's gonna come to you in English, and then you speak and it's gonna go out in Spanish. The third translation mode is the real-time translation mode, which is great for lectures, meetings, anyone who's in academia or a professional setting. Bilingual subtitles scroll in your view on the glasses as someone speaks, low latency and continuous. It's basically having a simultaneous interpreter living in your glasses and your field of view. And all of this gets saved automatically to the INMO app so you can review it later, no manual notes, and no scrambling to remember what was said. Next up, let's talk about the teleprompter and smart recording features. For anyone who records content, does presentations, or just needs to remember talking points, the teleprompter feature is legitimately useful. Your script scrolls in your eye line so you can look straight at the camera while reading. You can turn pages with a tap on the temple, you can use the INMO app on your phone, or you can use the brand new Ring 4 so that you have an invisible page turner. You guys may have not noticed, but I've been reading my script for this entire video using the INMO GO3. Like I said, you probably can't even see it. The text scrolls right in front of me, and I'm able to read it while I still look at the camera. This is absolutely fantastic, and by far actually my favorite feature, because I plan to use these for all my videos going forward, because now I don't need a separate teleprompter or any additional equipment. There's also an AI page turning mode that listens to your speaking pace and advances the script automatically. Even if you improvise or skip a line, it keeps up. The smart recording feature is basically a supercharged meeting recorder. One button press starts the recording, and it's got 4 microphones in an array that can distinguish between different speakers. The transcript actually tells you who said what at the end, and after every meeting, the INMO AI automatically generates structured meeting notes with key decisions and action items. And here's a great thing for iOS users and also Samsung users in many cases and countries. It solves the problem with the awkward notification for recording calls with iOS, because this can record calls in all instances without having to worry about some other third-party application or add-on. Now, beyond translation and productivity, there's a couple other features that I want to highlight, which is the AI assistant and navigation features, both of which are genuinely useful in day-to-day use. The Go3 has Here Maps built in. You get turn-by-turn walking or cycling directions displayed right in your view. No phone out, no looking down. You stay present in your surroundings and conversations while still knowing exactly where you're going, which is incredibly important when walking. The AI assistant is voice activated and supports real-time web search, writing help, summarization, and deep thinking mode for more complex questions. It's not a dumbed down version specific for smart glasses, it's pulling from the real AI models that you know and love. You also get customized notifications mirrored from your phone that are right in your field of view, so all of your social notifications, messaging is right there, so you don't miss out on anything when you're using navigation or using some other feature on the Go3. You're gonna stay connected to everything that's going on with you while still using these glasses. So let's run down how the INMO Go3 stacks up to the competitors and my final verdict on this device. The main competitors in this glasses space have 2 frame style options. INMO offers 4. The display field of view is 30 degrees, which matches the best competitor. And where it really separates itself is this new battery system. The 2 swappable 270 milliamp hour batteries versus the fixed batteries on everything else out there, and the translation language support, which is the widest in the category. The Kickstarter price is $499 for the glasses, the Ring 4, and the speaker. Usually that would run you around $697, so you're saving around almost $200 by going through the Kickstarter and being an early backer, which personally I think is a great deal for the full package. The INMO Go3 is hitting a real sweet spot in the smart glasses space. And of course, it has all those features that you're going to use like translation, navigation, the AI assistant, and for me, that teleprompter that I love, plus the innovative swappable battery tech. And they also look stylish. These don't look like smart glasses. They look like regular frames that you would wear every day. So if you've been thinking about a pair of smart glasses, this could really be a great option to consider, and I would definitely take a strong look at the INMO Go3. The link to the INMO Go3 Kickstarter will be below if you guys want to check it out. This intro pricing for the $4.99 bundle will not last long after they go full retail later this month, so make sure you get it now if you're interested. Huge shout out to INMO for sending out the Go3 for a review and also for sponsoring the video. We really appreciate it. I love these, like I said. I'm going to use them for sure, 100%, for my teleprompter going forward, and just when I'm out navigating when I need to use them. They are really fun to use. Appreciate you guys checking it out. If you have any comments, drop those below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.